wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. You already know what time it is. Let's talk about some new launches. Ooh, bars. Let's talk about new makeup launches. Let's go. Hey, I see we're already on the let's hit them heartstrings, that nostalgia. Available now. Ring Pop has collabed with Sally Hansen Insta Dry X Ring Pop Nail Polish Collection. Dries in 60 seconds, one coat, one stroke, no weight, no smudges, $7.99 each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think I see like 10 shades. Did they say 10 shades? Packaging, all of that is very cute. And I literally just want it because it looks so cute. Look at it. It is so cute. What would have been like even cuter is if they somehow figured out how to actually make it like in a ring pop shape. Cause like it's got, you see how it's got the ring pops in the advertising, but like I'm telling you, it would have been like chef's kiss if like where the ring pop, the diamond was where the product was, and then the bottom of the ring was the lid. I literally would have gone out to go get it just to have it, because looking at the shades, and the shades are very cute, all of that. But y'all know, like, I done switched over to the press on girly life, even though I'm missing 2 fingers. I gotta glue back on this hand. But this is definitely very cute if, you know, I did still use nail polish. You know, if I were to use colors like this on my toes, which I am a white toes, French tiptoe girly, or if I had someone younger, kids, stuff like that, I would certainly purchase this. This is adorable. Okay, available now, Soft Pop Blush Sticks from Makeup by Mario. This dual-ended blush stick offers sheer buildable coverage with a dewy finish and a moisturizing formula. Ideal for all skin types. Retails for $32 each. The shades are very cute. This would probably be a good product, especially for that area of the face, especially for someone like me who has oily skin in my T-zone, pretty normal around the rest of my face. Am I gonna run to go get it? No. But can I see myself like throwing this in the bag at some point? Yes. Available now, new gloss with St. Bart's scent. New collab, Shine On Lip Jelly Non-Sticky Gloss. Ouai has collabed with Tower 28 in Chill in St. Bart's. So it's a lip jelly with a high shine of a gloss and the comfort of a lip balm. Retails for $16. Would I purchase this? Yes. First of all, Tower 28 glosses, chef's kiss. And Ouai, that St. Bart's, when I tell you I am quickly becoming obsessed with it. If you guys remember during the Sephora sale, I picked up the body scrub originally. And I was like, wait a minute, this smell, oh my God. So I went and I got the body cream. Absolutely, positively. I saw that they have a body wash in the St. Bart's, and they just came out with a body mist in St. Bart's. Baby, when I tell you, I'm gonna be nauseating with this St. Bart's smell. I know they got a gloss, which hopefully also smells like it. Yeah. Available now. Bridgerton has collaborated with Kitsch, celebrating the new season. It includes a satin pillowcase, a satin wrapped hair towel, a satin pillow scrunchie, well, scrunchies. I have tried like hair clips and stuff like that from Kitsch. I know if y'all saw that vlog when me and Drea did the road trip in Cali, if y'all remember that big bonnet, that big pointy bonnet. But yeah, if you saw that bonnet, it's from Kitsch. So, but I know like it's not a cheap bonnet either. You know, my little like $5 from the beauty supply store bonnet, it's not that. I think it's like a $25 or $26 bonnet. New fragrance collection from Fenty. Okay, each fragrance was inspired by a personality, places, memories, or the different generations from the Fenty family. I'm not reading through all of those different descriptions, but it looks like there's 7 fragrances. The fragrance size is 100 milliliters, and there will be a box set with all 7. Is that a price? I don't see a price unless I missed it. But I do see that it says there's a miniature holder charm, that you can get for 290 euros to be able to carry one's favorite scent anywhere. You know, you just gotta come to terms with the fact that when it is luxury, they really will sell you all types of bullshit. Imagine someone tells you that they are selling you a damn keychain so that you can carry your perfume around, and it's $290. Well, 290 euros. So if the charm is $290, how much does the fragrance cost? But, well, first of all, a lot of designer fragrance is expensive already. You know, Tom Ford, you know, Chanel, Gucci. I feel like Chanel, Gucci is like pretty standard fragrance scent. But like BDK, Joe Malone, like those type fragrances, you know, they already get a little expensive. But again, if the charm is giving $290, I can only imagine what the fragrances are giving. But you know, I'd give a little sniff. Revealed new Hydra Vizor SPF 30. The skin caring tinted day cream with SPF boosts skin with moisture, improves elasticity, and reduces the appearance of pores and dark spots, gives a natural glowing finish with the perfect amount of pigment. Refillable 10 shades coming soon on their website. I believe I saw this before doing this video. I'm intrigued. Did I ever try the Fenty SPF? I think I did. No, I think I saw people saying it had fragrance in it and I had sensitive skin, so maybe I didn't. But I'm still intrigued by this, especially with the 10 shades. Like, I want to know what it's giving. Available now, brow laminating gel, stronghold eyebrow gel that sculpts, shapes, and sets for a laminated look. Did I say from e.l.f.? Oh, from e.l.f. Cosmetics. A clear drying brow gel with e.l.f. strongest hold yet. Perfect for creating the look of laminated brows. Retails for $8. I would check it out. You know, I like me a little brow gel. I know Rare Beauty. I think Refy. Anyone else? Oh, there's one from Ardell, so that's pretty affordable, that I like as well. So I'm intrigued what this one would give, especially like the brush of it. Looks like they're probably right that you really probably can get that laminated brow look. Available now, Wet n Wild has a new foundation. Blurs imperfections, finishes with a soft satin glow, and perfects while concealing redness and blemishes so naturally. Retails for $8.99, comes in 27 shades. Now you have to be like a real OG, like OG subscriber to know why like I wouldn't run to go get a foundation from Wet n Wild. So, you know, I'm gonna see what other people say about this, and then we'll circle back. Tasha was telling me about this last week. New Softsculpt multi-use bronzing and shaping serum from Makeup by Mario. All right, this is just Mario season, be launching stuff. A multi-use liquid bronzer that warms the complexion with a sun-kissed glow and softly shapes targeted areas with a sheer natural second skin finish. Retails for $36, comes in 7 shades. I'm looking at those shades. It would have to be the last shade I would purchase if I did purchase this, but I'm intrigued. Kind of. I'm gonna let Tasha get it first. New shades, Ultimate Blurring Setting Powder from One Size, a finely milled blurring loose setting powder that delivers 24-hour shine control and a smooth matte finish for all day wear. Retails for $34. So I already have this powder. I've tried it in the like normal beigey type of banana shade, and I've also tried it in the pink shade. So the shades that they're coming out with are Ultra Peach, Marigold, and Rich Peach. I'm looking at Ultra Peach because I like the peach of that Huda pressed powder that I purchased. Is like the formula that I'm not really buy. But it says Rich Peach is the one that's for medium to dark, but Rich Peach looks orange. So if I do pick up one of the new shades, it'll probably be Ultra Peach. Actually, Marigold. No, that looks like yellow. It'd probably be Ultra Peach. Okay. New concealer and more for the eyes and skin from Refy Beauty. Brightening and blurring serum. Concealer with plant-derived squalene, a hydrating, brightening, and blurring concealer that applies like a serum and has light to medium coverage to even your skin tone for a natural glow. Retails for $26. Comes in 24 shades. And then an eye balm that retails for $24. And then the brush retails for $24 as well. The only thing I would try here is probably the concealer, but I don't like serum concealers. It just gives, I don't like how it looks under the skin. I feel like if you do have any texture or anything like that in this area, especially like under your eye or anything, I feel like serum concealers emphasizes that. I mean, there are some that will, you know, change your mind, but they usually don't change my mind. But I would still try it. New True Match Liquid Blush from L'Oreal. Intense liquid pigments for a radiant pop of color, an easy to build and blend formula. From a bright pink and rich coral to pinky nudes and a universal berry. Feels lightweight on skin in a glowy or dewy matte finish. Retails for $12.38. I would try one. I would try, especially like since it's True Match. If I like the line of a brand, like in one product, if they come out with a product that's still in the same line, I'll probably be more inclined to try it. Like of course no line is coming to my mind, like Fenty with the Pro Filter, you know, they've got the Pro Filter foundation, the Pro Filter powder, Pro Filter concealer, but then, you know, they have the newest concealer, like, which is not part of the Pro Filter line, if that is making sense. I'm trying to think of like who else has lines, and nothing is coming to mind. Or like Too Faced, they've got the, what is it, Born to Run? What is the Too Faced? Hold on, because I know I'm not. Born This Way. They've got the Born This Way, you know, foundation, concealer. Urban Decay has the All Nighter. Of course, now the collections want to come to me. So this is like the True Match foundation, like same like formula, thought process wise. I'd probably like it. Let's do one more. Let's see, what is this? New Lip Sketch Hydrating Lipstick and Lip Liner Crayon. A creamy comfort of a lipstick with the precision of a lip liner. Long lasting with a soft matte finish. Weightless, glides on smoothly. Okay. So it retails for $26, comes in 12 shades. When I see like lip liner, I go directly to where's the one that's supposed to be the brown. And I don't see the brown that's going to be the brown for me. Now you can use, you know, lip liner in other colors, you know, if you're wearing red lips, purple, even deep purple, stuff like that. I don't wear lips like that anymore. So I go like directly to the dark brown, but I don't see a dark brown. So, you know, I'm gonna leave this to the girlies. I'm letting y'all know that it exists. Will I be picking it up? No. And yeah, y'all, that is it for today's video. You know, I would say this month, the launches were cute. I don't really see anything where I was like, oh, need to go get this. Yes, I know the Huez beauty video should be up next week. Don't quote me, but it's coming. But like none of the launches, I feel like I have already forgotten, except like the Fenty, whatever it was, the SPF thing, and maybe like the e.l.f. brow gel. You know, cute little pickups, but like anything that anyone's like rushing to go get, or I feel like anyone will be talking like that's the next best thing, not so much. So yeah, y'all, those are new launches that you can expect to see, or they are already out. I'll have them linked down below if they are already out. Let me know if there's anything that I missed that you would like a video on down below. Thank y'all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.